Robotic cleaning through dirt rearrangement planning with learned transition models. We enable a manipulator robot to move arbitrary configurations of dirt on a surface to a goal region using a cleaning tool. Planning is formulated as heuristic search using a set of tool action primitives. We present dirt and tool action representations for efficient prediction of future dirt states. Here we show the PR2 and Fetch robots using our approach to clean dirt in 4 different scenarios. Here the PR2 cleans 2 areas of dirt by first consolidating them into a single pile. Here we see the PR2 clean a larger area of dirt. We see the Fetch robot cleaning the large area of dirt as well. Here's a side-by-side comparison of both robots executing the same cleaning plan.